Okay, we're gonna do another quick video of installing screens from the outside of the home. This screen right here has tension springs on it, and it also has pull tabs down at the bottom. Some people install it in reverse, but we install and with the tabs facing the inside of the house. If you'll notice up here, there's a little track, and that's what the top of the screen will go in, and the tension springs will push on the track and place tension on there, and we'll pop it in there. We'll put one side in and then come all the way across, put the other side in, and there you go. You got one screen installed just like that. Easy peasy. Moving on to the next one. If that helps you out, give us a thumbs up.